Oh, thank you. I heard he has some cool stuff in here. I need some exposure for my dog.
Yeah.
So you have some trophies. Oh, perfect. Yeah.
What's his or her name?
Skidboot. Okay, good. Yeah, we he's a working dog, but don't pet him please right now.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go look. There's a little bear. Where's this little bear? Good. Got it? Good. Come here. Yeah. Oh, you don't like the little bear? It's like, is it your bear? It's a bear. Yes, good. Got it? Go! You don't like that one too much, eh? You like the real bears. You like to chase the real ones, and you don't like this one. See? That's good. Yeah. It's just a little bear. Yeah. Oh, got it. You don't like that little bear? Just like a little bear. Got it? Ah, I see. That one is worrisome. Got it? Ah. Hello. Got it? Got it? Just a bear. That's the one thing we don't like too much, eh? See, that's just a little bear. Smells weird? That's good. That's very good. Got it? Very good. See, it's nothing to it. Yeah, good job. See, it's just a little bear. Yeah. That's very good. Very good. Got it? Good. See? Are you looking in front of it? Come this way. Okay. This way. No, you don't trust that bear in the back of you? Let's turn this way. This way. This. Over. All the way over. That's good. Over. Oh, you don't want that bear behind you? No. That's scary. Hey, and then over.
No, there's still cars apparently.
Super. Oh, that's good. What's with that thing? Why you don't like this bear? You don't like the bear? No. It's just a bear. It's like the little ones we have at home. Yeah.
He hasn't got his weed. He never got his weed last year.
And then over. Yeah. Good turn. That's good. Good turn. Good. And back. Very good. Okay. Super. There you go. See, it's not so bad now, is it? Got it? Super. Yeah, that's... Yeah, let's turn. Good turn. Good job. This way. Yes. Good. Very good. Good job. Yeah, there you go. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, similar anyway.
Cool shirts.
Oh,
Thank you, ma'am.
yes, for
He
sure.
didn't like the little bear too much, which is funny because at home he chases bears up the tree. Go figure.
He's probably like, why isn't he moving?
Yeah.
And this one's got a different smell to it, so.
Yeah.
Probably, eh?
Probably,
'Cause
yeah.
he was like, what is that thing?
Yeah.
So, but thank you, appreciate that.
You bet.
Have a good day.
Yeah.